Hey, Fred, go along.
I got it! I got it!
Oh. Ah! Fred, are you okay?
No, Max, don't leave me!
Huh? What's all this yelling about?
Mom, there's a giant spider.
It's over there. It's so scary.
That's it?
Let's go inside.
We can play video games.
Hold on, guys. Let me help you. To repel some bugs, all you need is a lemon and some cloves. First, cut a lemon in half. Now add cloves. The strong smell of the cloves will repel the insects. Now place it nearby and all of the bugs will go away.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Ooh, it smells so strong.
No problem. Now let me finish making the list.
Let's go play some more, Max.
Yeah.
Look, Lily, we should make this cake. Whoa, that looks so good. Let's do it. Okay, first we need 1 cup of flour. Okay.
Exactly 1 cup. The batter smells amazing.
We followed the recipe and it's gonna be perfect. This just needs to bake for 45 minutes.
All right, let's watch a movie.
Yay, okay.
That's so funny. That's so sweet. I can't believe no one went to her birthday. She can't eat the cake all alone.
Oh my gosh, the cake! Oh man, it's all burned off.
Oh, we can't eat it like that. I can't believe we forgot.
Let's just go buy one.
Oh,
The last pizza. Excuse me, what are you doing?
I saw it first.
No, I did.
It's for me and my friend.
Yeah, me too.
Stop it right now! We'll settle this with a challenge. Whoever can drink the most water wins the pizza.
Drinking water? That's easy. Challenge accepted.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
You can't drink all that water at once.
Yeah, I can. Watch this.
What? You can't do that. That's cheating.
I'll allow it.
Oh man, I need to hurry.
Ooh, only 1 more water left. Who's gonna win?
I'm so full. I can't drink anymore. Ugh.
Then I win. Oh.
Congratulations, Max. You can claim your prize.
Yes. Oh, I'm so full.
Ooh, pizza. Thank you.
What? Oh man.
So today we are going to learn how to find enthalpy. So enthalpy is H, and H is heat.
This lecture's so boring. I can't stay awake. Oh. This should get me energized again.
Gosh, huh? What was that sound? Max! You know snacks and drinks aren't allowed in my class.
Oh, Professor, I'm so sleepy. I need this. No.
Now focus on the lecture.
I'm so hungry, but I don't want Professor to take my food. Ah! I'm gonna need my ice cream and a pencil holder. Now I'll hide the ice cream with these pencils. Now time to eat. Oh, what? It's so melted. Oh, so much for having a snack.
Okay, Lily, can you read the next paragraph in the textbook, please?
Sure, Professor. Plotting points in an RO plane leads to the upper.
Lily, what are you reading?
I was just reading the book like you told me to.
Calculus? If you want to do makeup, then you can leave my class.
But Professor!
I don't want to hear any excuses. You can leave. Now, Max, can you read the next paragraph, please?
Oh, yes. Yes. Perfect.
I love your enthusiasm, Max. Now go ahead.
Yeah, I did it.
What are you talking about, Max? Start reading. Hello? What's going on? Huh? I can't believe you're playing games and during class?
Sorry, Professor. I was just,
I don't want to hear it. Now, I want you to write a 20-page essay on paying attention in class, and it's due tomorrow.
But that's way too much. I
Get
can't.
to work.
Oh no. Oh, this test is so hard. But I got a backup plan. I'm a genius.
Oh, really, Max?
Oh, hi, Professor. I'm just checking the time.
Well, it's time for you to stop cheating. Now give me the cheat sheet.
Okay, fine.
And if I catch you cheating again, you're getting a 0.
Okay, yes, Professor.
Oh, Max, you should have found a better hiding spot for your cheat sheet.
Lily, what are you doing?
Nothing, Professor. I don't have anything, see?
Are you serious, Lily? Makeup?
But I was just trying.
No, it's test time, not makeup time. Now focus on your test.
I guess your hiding spot wasn't the best.
Stop it, Max.
Hey, no talking during the test. Lily, I need your help, please.
What's wrong, Mia?
I have a date and I look so tired. What am I gonna do?
Calm down, Mia. Check this out.
Wow, Lily, that's so cool.
See? I told you not to worry. Let me give you a makeover.
Thank you.
Max, come play video games with me.
I don't have time to leave campus. I have class in 10 minutes.
Wait. Who said anything about leaving campus?
Wow. Okay, Fred. I guess I can go one round.
If I win, you stay another round.
I won't lose.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.